Hey guys, let's have a quick little chat about radicals number 2. I'm going to open this one up. So in this problem, we are supposed to simplify this radical. And so we are going to chunk it into 2 parts, right? That's one of the first things we're going to look at. I'm going to look at this part in blue. And then I'm going to look at the part in orange. Okay? In other words, I'm looking at what is the number in the problem and what are the letters in the problem, right? So when I look at just the number, if I break that off of there, I get 4, the 4th root of 16. Okay, so when I go 4th root of 16, I go in the, I go to my table of all the powers, and I'm looking in the 4 column for x to the 4th. And I'm looking for 16. I'm trying to figure out what is the 4th root of 16. And when I look at that, I get 2. So then my job is now to deal with the second part. And I've got it's a 2-parter second part. Remember, for the second part, E over I, dun, dun, dun. So E over I, x to the 8 over 4. And 8 divided by 4, if I do just this part of it and actually clean up my fraction, 8 divided by 4 is 2. Then I can do the same thing with y. 12 divided by 4. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. So that's my final answer. Now my job is to figure out which one do I want out of here. Well, when I look at it, I see that choice right there. I come over here, I submit my answer, and I feel like a math star. Okay. Another problem, super similar. I'm going to hit give up. See if I can find this a little bit more complicated. Next problem. Next problem. Boo, I keep getting the same ones. Well, if we keep getting the same ones, that's a good sign. It means that we don't have too many more tough ones coming. Oh, this is a good one. Now I'm excited. Okay, this one, remember, we're still going to break it up into 2 parts. I'm still going to deal with a number. And I'm going to use my table to help me out. But the weird thing with this one is I need a 2. There's not a 2 there. But I need to know that there's a 2 there so that I can tackle it the way I want to. Then, square root of 64 is 8. The second part is dealing with the numbers. And again, that 2 is going to come in handy because it's going to be x to the 4 over 2, y to the 12 over 2. Right? So knowing that there's a 2 there, because when there's no I, we use 2. That's going to help us get things finalized. And that takes me down to, actually not even down, it takes me to the top choice on my list. And I can click that, and I can submit the answer, and I can hope we're right. If not, I'll have to go back and fix something. But lots of good stuff happened here. If you get some weird ones with some negatives, give them a try. I know you can do it. And then as always, be in touch if there's